Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist and owner of Pickleball 5000. So I'm checking out this new pickleball paddle today. If you guys know me at all, you know that I'm a brand new pickleball player. I'm new to the sport. I've been treating patients who have been injured playing pickleball for over a decade. But in terms of me actually playing the sport, I'm brand new. So I am gonna unbox this. I've seen this paddle on Amazon when I was looking for kind of a beginner entry level paddle. They had some great reviews, some great information. This is the Hipples Pro from ZDLE. I don't know if that's the way you pronounce the name, but let's take a look at what they've got. Now, they were kind enough to send me this paddle to test at my clinic and use with some of my clients. So I appreciate it. This particular paddle, it weighs between 6.6 and 6.9 ounces. It's a 15.5 inch by 7.5 inch paddle. The grip circumference is 4.13 inches. And so if you saw my video on grip for a pickleball paddle, I think it's probably one of the most important things. You have the sweet spot size of the paddle, but then the grip, because you're gonna be holding it. I know that as a new player, when I'm holding a paddle that's just not the right size for my hand, I can't get power on the ball, I can't control the ball, I can't get any spin. So I'd be interested to see how this grip size works. First, in terms of the packaging, they do a great job. It's a beautiful box, well designed, feels very high quality. So the paddle comes in a case. It comes with a little manual talking about the paddle, instructions, I assume on how to use the paddle. Ooh, it's a whole kit. I didn't even realize that. Oh, wow. Yes, this is awesome. Guys, thank you so much. So it comes with 4 pickleballs and 2 paddles. That's awesome. All right, so let's do this. I'm going to unwrap these paddles. I'm gonna get everything here organized, and then I'll bring you guys back on the video. All right, so I got everything unpacked. This is what came in the kit. We've got 4 pickleball balls. We've got 2 pickleball paddles, and of course the carrying case that holds everything together. So one of the things that I'm most excited about is I've got 4 boys. It's the end of December, almost Christmas time. I am really excited to get my boys out to start playing pickleball. My oldest is 14, my twins are 12, and my youngest is 10, and they're all interested in the sport. And so now between these paddles and the paddles that I have around the house, we all have enough to play as a family of 6. So taking a look at this, the feel is really, really great. The grips are awesome. I'm 5'7". This feels comfortable in my hand. I can get a good solid grip on it. The paddle is a honeycomb paddle inside. When I feel kind of that sweet spot, it feels really great. This is USA Pickleball approved. So I know that that's one of the things with some of the paddles, depending on the surface, what it's made of, it may or may not be approved. This one is approved. And I think that these are gonna be a really great value for what it is. What I'll do is I'll put a couple links in the video description down below where you guys can find this kit. Might be a great holiday idea, and especially as we get through winter and spring's around the corner, something like this is a great reason to get outside and enjoy the sunlight, move around, get a little more active, and really pick up a new hobby if you're not already playing pickleball, but you hear everybody talking about it. I think getting out there, getting on the court is a great way to build friendships, build relationships with people who have a common interest. So I'm gonna work with this in the clinic. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit. I'm gonna do some drills and some footwork, and we'll see how it goes.